I'm Porsh and you're watching Mensah TV. If you be a Mensah. Hi, I'm Porsh and you're watching Mensah TV. Hi, I'm Porsh and you're watching Mensah TV. If you be a Mensah.
Hello, good people of Ghana. Welcome to Mensah TV Online. If you are watching us on Facebook, it's Mensah TV. On YouTube, Mensah TV Official. Subscribe to our channel. And today is day 2 of Avalanche Exhibition and Sales 2020. It's the maiden edition, and we are coming to you live right from Blue Rose Estate, house number 50C. Day 2 of Avalanche Exhibition and Sales. Porsh B Designs. We have amazing stuff over here, wonderfully made outfits, and a whole lot which you can come around to check them out for your Christmas decorations and dress up outfits and everything over here. So we just came to you to just show you what is happening over here at the Avalanche Exhibition and Sales 2020. Today is day 2, beginning from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can just drive through and pick everything you look that looks good on you. Come through with the family. We have gents, we have female, ladies, and kids wear. So just come through. My name is Mensah. This is Mensah TV Online. So you can stay with us.
Yes, this is a man quite trample. One, oh, simple. You're watching Mensah TV. Yes, this is a man quite trample. One, oh, simple. You're watching Mensah TV. Mensah TV. Baby, Mensah. Mensah TV. Baby, Mensah. Mensah TV. Baby, Mensah. Simple.
All right, thanks for staying with us and also following our various social media handles at themensah.tv. Day 2 of Avalanche Exhibition and Sales 2020. So we are taking you around our place. We have one of our people over here who is going to take us around.
Maybe Faustina.
Okay, so yes, Sister Faustina, and I already call round ni product na original itching now at church in case they be a fee and as a baby I want say also so open say oba hanum say and as a wunya ho or bet church and yamani so back on na say owia na dia open wo mu no na we screenshot it. Into we share video na screenshot it. We screenshot here. Now I send a call or WhatsApp number 0544 373300 0544 373300. Now I try say we sa antare we new phone na e offer na opese won saka on bet show bo no match kwan a obefa so a won sa be kan rebel e wa ofie. Into yes suppose mambedi ni say na okay so yes chance fi the one straight dress. Okay, so wait me na okay, so we is straight dress. Oh, we grab it me ashes so yeah we are besan ya sen honum so you person mo share keke. All right, it say we wine a bit me as ashes antare we say.
Oh, Obia betimi ahye.
Obia betimi ahye. Obia betimi ahye. Okay. 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 All right. Nipo so yedi won. Okay.
Cool price.
Okay.
Into ya on sabeka bi.
All right. Okay. Now yenhwe de edidi so no so.
Yesu ye the same thing straight dress na bia.
Na the price is the same.
Oh, the price near 60 cedis. Price no phone.
Okay, so we 60 cedis. Inti wo hwe we na say we need ho a obetimi a screenshot say ato phone so now I send ya call WhatsApp number na your boy na say dia edit to screen so no na also watch say open we di yenhwe dia edit so and so ewo. Okay.
And also straight dress na bia. Different styles.
Okay, inti sa stand we ya by ahanom straight dress inti we ye nechi
Any nenim.
okay
Nechini nenim suni.
Okay, all right, so inti we nenim ne nechi and so straight dress so yenhwe collections aye wo ahanom say no okay wait okay where belt ana
Belt. On say 1 2 sha. Now the belt na bu.
all right and so sa
straight dress. And also sa.
now we nipa be type be no betimi ahye sa antare we say
Nipa kese betimi ahye. Anase one was betimi ahye.
okay nipa kese na ho no odi say we nipa kese a obetimi a screenshot sa picture we so we ho no so a the same thing
We straight dress na bia. And also sa cool price na na eton.
okay so cool price no cool price no patch 60 Ghana cedis straight dress obetimi a screenshot straight dress we so a straight dress okay we so betimi a screenshot into wo hwe ma we African print nkwa and na dia e bi ono so a ye de chiffon e bi ono so a ye de say chiffon e different types and na ye de African print no atototo emu ne na no fe senior we ni je ho no pepepe obetimi ahye we so we ye she di go antare bi so na wo tumi she ne sa
ye she di go antare bi so o she ina wase a na wa she gu so okay 70 cedis
we 70 cedis but you yenhwe nanim no okay wow into mama show design na e wo han say pocket design patro dan say no okay all right so o hwa betimi hu say nanim design no we na African print fabric and the iron fe sa no just 70 Ghana cedis obetimi a screenshot say at your phone so now send your WhatsApp number 0544 373300 0544 373300 now also wait to me on sa etimi aka fe ewo Avalanche exhibition and sales 2020 no ase yasan so ehun foforo iso eno so e wan asem to say
and also a straight dress na bia
and also see a straight dress na bia it says stand we are yegina say no a straight dress stand and a yegina ho no it says straight dress nkwa and also stand we are yabe obetimi ehun ama wa also it's we a beautiful green color Christmas yeah I think green one of Christmas colors ntinya we are betimi a complement with mpaboa which is red or so senior also betimi Christmas betimi akoye the amount actually what hanum say so
we see a straight dress
we are straight dress we the says zip on it so it's easy open at the back okay betimi kama me answer the edit so hanum say so okay all right okay we enkola dia na
penny there
na de ne so asa
oh
okay a top okay a top okay so this is also a top so if you need this top you can also put it on or down be or honma also betimi ahye and so e ho asem to say na
Price near 40 cities.
Okay, all right. So we top only. Yansha dia ewo hanum and so.
We nika.
Okay. Shorts for male or female?
Male.
For male. Okay, wonderful. So if you're a male out there and you are watching, this is Porsh B designer shorts. You can get this one for yourself. Where you to me the beach and I say where places where now bet me actually with your
Over me the party be and I say beach be. Over me the
It's Christmas parts a baby to be brave. So I say Okobia, bet me about Porsh B designer shorts yibi. Nature say also wa bono pampe na ehye wa pempo wa bi ato na ase.
Price near 40 cities.
Matter sense man.
Price near 40 cities.
All right, so Porsh B designer shorts no price no 40. We are me some so different ones for how to say my share colors no how to say. Okay, so this is white and something like yellow and green. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah, black and so one as first Porsh B designer shorts. Yeah, share another collection. I will have and also shorts not bisa. Wow. Porsh B designer shorts. Porsh B designer shorts. Would you na say offer? Just screenshot it. Screenshot it. Ewo phone so na enter number 054437 3300 054437no ase enso so but the meantime no ye ne sister Faustina ene wa hanum saying na one ye echo true stand na ye wo ladies straight dress and ye wie na ya ba enkola enso so a straight dress so we I say teenager betimi acha na
Obetimi ashe.
Obetimi ashe so se wo akola no so ye teenager ne chini nenim enso so eni obetimi a screenshot picture no se no ase enso so but the meantime no ye ne sister Faustina ene wa hanum saying na one ye echo true stand na ye wo ladies straight dress and ye wie na ya ba enkola enso so a straight dress so we I say teenager betimi acha na
Obetimi ashe.
Obetimi ashe so se wo akola no so ye teenager ne chini nenim enso so eni obetimi a screenshot picture no say we need you ho you can screenshot it and send it to the way red and white Christmas dress combination ewo Avalanche exhibition and sales 2020 can get see Porsh B Designs, Kind Ketsi, Porsh B Designs, Avalanche Exhibition and Sales 2020. What the oba photo shoot na day na wa hanum say oba no ahye bi na wo dey twitwa picture na dia de oba che say bibibia e koso e wa hanum say fe we a Christmas dress papa betimi enya e dia ma oba ne bo so enye den kra ne bo enye den. The prices are very low, they are very discounted until they just pass through house number 50C Blue Rose Estate Kaswa Budumbram. Opeso obetimi a screenshot the picture no, just screenshot it on your phone, send it to the WhatsApp number 0544373300 0544373300. So yes, Sister Fosti, I don't know, so would you be see hanum say near call the next time na no so yeah share dia ewo honum. And we're still reminding you that we're live on Mensah TV. Follow us on Facebook, Mensah TV, like our page on Instagram at themensah.tv. Follow subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Mensah TV Official. We go for a break right here. We'll be back. Avalanche Exhibition Sales 2020. Christmas came early. Christmas came early right here at Castle Blue Rose Budumbram Estate, and today we're coming to you live on Mensah TV, and we're still here with some of the wonderfully made products from Porsh B Design. Our sister Faustina is still here with us and she's taking us through. I have with me over here, we are on a different stand and she's picking some of the products from here. So if our cameras are capturing for you, you will see them over here. So the products are over here, you can see them for yourself. Then we'll talk about the pricing and pick them individually as well to get them for you. Okay, inti mpacho obetimi abana ya share dia yewo ewo hanum say inti when so
ye top obetimi dia share trial and also ye 40 series.
Okay, I see na trial nkwa na obetimi ya share na said there's something different.
Oh was scared to crowd obetimi dia share.
Okay, so this is another Porsh B designer top. Inti mpacho obetimi ya share other ones so ewo honum no. Okay, right here at the Blue Rose Estate. Good. Where the I think where the almost friends the pata pata, you know. Pata pata. So the locally they have a name called pata pata. Pata pata is like it's a cloth that is very loose. When you put it on, I mean we are free to do a whole lot of things. Wow. Inti where so at the same.
When so good and also the same price now, 60 series now.
Alright, inti we so the same price now, 60 cedis. I mean we a Christmas dress fe ewa hanum say ya ubetimi ababe GB na won so wash so share so na say eye wo fa you can screenshot the picture, just screenshot it as video no no just screenshot it and we'll be putting the pictures too up there for you to take a look at. So back also wa
when so ye top And also price na 40 cedis na.
Price na 40 cedis. Now just a straight dress 60, top 40, just a short car 40. Oh, now won't pay way now per day. Won't pay way now per day. Won't pay way now per day. Avalanche exhibition and sales 2020. Christmas came early. 40 cedis, 60 cedis. Even if you go to the market, you are not going to get it that way. We saw a very nice African print.
Straight dress. And also 60 cedis.
Okay. Mami yeah madi na okay, so what's it straight dress?
60 cedis now, cool price now.
Okay. So cool price now, live on Mensah TV. Thanks for staying with us on Mensah TV. Mensah Women, this is Mensah TV, and thank you for staying with us for that short break. This is Mensah TV, and still here at Avalanche Exhibition and Sales 2020, right here inside Blue Rose Estate, house number 50C today. And we are taking you around. We have done most of the stands. We have looked at the straight dress stand and the kids wear, the teenagers, and all. We are going to take a look at I'm seeing some Beck sandals and all over there, fully made with African prints, locally made right here in Ghana, and some accessories as well. So come with me. Okay, welcome to Mensah TV.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mensah.
All right, please, what's your name?
I'm Stella.
Okay, so our friend here is going to take us through the products she's also having at her stand. All right, so where do we begin from?
Okay, we can begin from this side.
Okay.
So I have amazing slippers made solely with African print and quality soles that would last you. I mean, if you look at the sole here,
okay. We can remove it from this one so that we take a look at it. Okay.
A type of sole that would eat up easily or wear off easily. Actually, great quality.
Okay, so if you are taking a look at this has been made right here in Ghana. Is this for female or male?
This is for female. Female.
Okay, so this is female wear sandals over here. The sole you can see is very thick and it's not going to fade off as early as you think the usual ones are. And this one, you can which places can you take this one to?
This you can actually wear it to the beach side as for casual outings.
Okay.
Anywhere you can actually wear it to any casual program, at home or any outing.
Okay, so this is it. Take a look at it. If you think this is what you need, just take a screenshot of it. Please, can we know the price?
Okay, this is 50 cedis.
All right, so this ladies sandals is 50 cedis right here at Avalanche exhibition. Let's go on to
I have Beck, very beautiful Beck with African print designs. So as you can see here, is made of kente, and in Ghana here, kente is very significant in our culture. Very unique and quality kente that has been used to make this Beck. And you can see the under two, very very quality. The sole, like always, it doesn't wear off easily. This one you can wear it to the beach side again, casual outings, Saturday, weekend outing, anything casual, you can actually use this. And this is actually in size 40. So
okay,
my ladies who have bigger feet sizes can actually use this. Yeah, and I think it also works for both unisex.
This is unisex. It works for both female and male. This is size 40 Porsh B designer sandal.